We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 21. Julie had $237 to spend. She returned a calculator and received a $128 refund, which is addition. She then bought a chair for $62, means subtraction. How much money in dollars and cents did Julie have to spend after buying the chair? 237 plus 128 minus 62 equals 303. Which expression is equivalent to the expression above? We need to apply the distributive property, which equals 38 multiplied by 251 minus subtract 38 multiplied by 45. Hence, F is the correct answer. Question number 23. Triangle KLM is shown with dimensions given in units. Which figure best models the area formula for triangle KLM? Area of a triangle equals 1/2 of base times height. Substitute the base with 16, height with 9 to the formula. We have A equals 1/2 times 16 times 9. For option A, we don't have the height, hence we eliminate this option. Option B, height equals 9, base equals 16. That matches with the area we're looking for, therefore B is the correct answer. Question number 24. The list shows the amount of flour in pounds used by a bakery each day for 15 days. Which box plot best displays a summary of these data? To determine which one is the best displays the data, we divide the data set into quarters and take the medians of those, and the min and max of two ends. Hence we have 15, 19, 29, 32, and 35. That matches with F option, hence F is the correct answer.